Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time there was a little girl. She always wore a red hood, so people called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day her mother said, "Take this basket of food to your grandmother. She is sick. Be careful and don't talk to strangers." Little Red Riding Hood walked through the forest. She saw flowers and picked some for her grandmother. Suddenly, a big wolf appeared. "Hello, little girl, where are you going?" the wolf asked. "I'm going to my grandmother's house," she said. The wolf thought, "I will eat the grandmother and the girl." The wolf ran to the grandmother's house. He knocked on the door. "Who is it?" asked the grandmother. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood," said the wolf in a soft voice. The grandmother opened the door. The wolf jumped in and ate her. Then he put on her clothes and got into bed. Soon Little Red Riding Hood arrived. She knocked on the door. "Who is it?" asked the wolf, pretending to be the grandmother. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood," she said. "Come in, my dear," said the wolf. Little Red Riding Hood entered the house. She looked at the wolf in the bed. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have! To see you better, my dear." "Grandmother, what big ears you have! To hear you better, my dear." "Grandmother, what big teeth you have! To eat you better." The wolf jumped out of the bed and ran after Little Red Riding Hood. She screamed for help. A woodcutter was nearby. He heard her and ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf and the wolf ran away. Little Red Riding Hood and her grandmother were safe. She said, "I will never talk to strangers again."